All right, welcome again today to Awaken Traders channel where we give you live updates and live top-down analysis on forex pairs, crypto pairs, and boom crash indices of the derivative trade broker. Today is 23rd August 2025, and I want to share with you one of my very reliable strategy. And I want you to remember why this strategy works is that it's been proven that most traders fail because of psychology, emotions. Okay, you trade when you're not supposed to trade. Most times you see your setup, yes, you're very sure that it is a setup, but there are some factors you do not factor in before you take that trade. One is that sometimes you see your setup in the 15 minutes chart, 30 minutes chart, 1 hour chart, 4 hour chart, daily chart. You do not know which one to follow. However, sometimes those one or two things makes you to do the wrong things at the wrong time, and then you end up in a losing streak. Now, why I love this strategy I'm about to share with you right now is that one is that it takes away the emotional side of trading because it controls you and puts you in the side of remembering always that you're not supposed to take trades every time. This strategy can come up, the setup can come up in weeks, can come up once in a month. But the good thing is that for derivative boom crash indices, you can scale, kind of scan through from boom indices to all the crash indices. You might definitely stumble upon one of them that is performing the way this one is performing right now. Then you can take your trade. First of all, before we go ahead, let me go back and show you some things so that you understand this strategy very well. If you can look now, you'll see that this is H4 on boom 600, and quickly go to RSI and see that your RSI 70 default, the price is now trading above it. It's overbought and above the RSI 70. Look at your line, look at the 70, or look at where the pair is right now. So from this point, your logical sense is going to tell you that the price is going to change, the trend is going to change to sell. At least you're going to get a reasonable sell anytime soon. But then the question is, what is the right time to take this trade? So that you don't enter, you don't jump in, and then you begin to see yourself being trapped in a loop. So now let us take this boom 600 as an instance, and before we do that, let us prove to ourselves that yes, actually it works. This is boom 600. Let's go back and see how it performs whenever the price is trading above the RSI 70. Okay. Above or below it. Now look at this point, traded above it. Okay, traded above it, and what happened? Now that's this. You can see the way price came down. All right, and that's what we're about to target. We'll go back again. Anytime price trades above it, I prefer it should go above it so well. This one is not, it's just close enough. It was not very okay, but you could have decided if to take if you wish, but I wouldn't take such. I prefer to take the ones that have shown. Okay, you can see this. You see the way it's completely off from the line 70, way above it. Then you wait for the signal entry, and then you take this sell. A beautiful entry. All right, so that's it. Let's not waste much time. Now you can see that that's what we're having right now. Price is trading above the line 70, so we're expecting a sell anytime soon. Now let's see if this sell is mature. Simple. All you need to do, like I told you, it's not rocket science. It's not a perfect entry. It's not like you are not going to lose. Now we're going, when we take this sell, you put your stop loss. If it takes you out, get ready to enter with another entry signal. You take the trade, you are very very sure that one or two of it is going to give you. Then you're going to set your stop loss 1:2 risk to reward ratio using 2% of your account, nothing more, nothing less. And then you begin to enjoy trading if you choose this as your strategy. Now this is what is happening in H4. Let's go to 15 minutes. If you go to 15 minutes with our normal simple childlike strategy, draw your line. Okay, okay, you see this? All right, see that? Okay, so now you see this too. You can see that the trend is already outside the 15 minutes trend line. Okay, so we were actually late. The entry out came out from the line from here, so we would have entered all the way from here, would have been riding this sell by now. Okay, so it is right. Within your 15 minutes, you check your line, and then you will see that the trend has been broken. And before you know it, it's going to take you all the way down. Now, if you're using H4 to check, you might not enter. You might lose this opportunity. So all we need to do now is to go to H4 again and see what's going on. You can see it's still very far away from it. Let's do to H1. You can see. So if you enter now, you can see yourself riding this cell all the way down. Okay, so what we're going to do now is take this cell. All right, the cell is taken. We quickly go to 15 minutes. um your stop loss, okay, it's gonna be uh okay, okay, the stop loss is going to be here. All right, then you're going to leave your TP open, or maybe if it's set and forget, you can as well put your TP here. That's a good risk to reward ratio. Okay, so that's it. Now we set it and it's done. All right, okay, so all you need to do is let the trade run. Okay, from H4, if this H4 closes bearish, all you need to do is to add another one, another 0.5. If it closes bearish, you add another one. If it closes bearish, you add another one, until you sight a change of trend, meaning that either 1 hour or 15 minutes or 30 minutes is going to pull out from their trend. Then you close the other ones, leaving only one to run, or you close all. So this is how we do it. And this trade looks like a trade I'm going to give an update on. So expect another video to show you the update on how this trend later went. Thank you and God bless.